Hey guys, welcome to my February Essential Rewards or Young Living, subscribe to save, whatever it is, haul this month. And welcome also to my extremely messy office. I'm hoping that you cannot see what's going on back here from this angle. Okay, so y'all aren't even gonna believe this after my tragedy with shipping last month and how I straight bashed Young Living. It's like, I feel like they probably listened to my video and were like, dang, we gotta get this girl's order out fast. But please comment below and let me know if your February orders got here faster than your January orders, because I'm dying to know if like they just got a lot of crap about it and decided to fix it, or like if it was just some freak accident. Like, I need to know. So please comment below. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys I hit the 190 promo tier this month. I feel like I always have to hit the 190 now because the 100 is just free shipping, and like I want some like real freebies. So the freebies at 190 were actually really good this month. So and I actually like easily hit it because I needed all these things. Okay, so I got a pack of the Thieves cough drops because last month Paula was sick, and so she was like, do you have any Thieves cough drops? And I had like a brand new unopened pack, so I gave that to her, and so I'm replacing that. These things are like freaking amazing, and I'm honestly shocked that they're not out of stock, because normally this time of year, like I have to buy them in like August normally to be able to have them for the winter when I need them, because they like are never in stock in the winter. So yeah, they're amazing. I mean, they're expensive, obviously, way more than regular cough drops, but it says triple soothing action, soothes sore throats, relieves coughs, cools nasal passages. I truly think that these like work better than any other cough drop that I've used. It says combines lemon, peppermint, and Thieves blend of essential oils. And they have natural menthol, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, these are fantastic. That's not something that I want to run out of. I had like a bag with just like a few left in it, and I took it to work the other day. So I had 0 at the house. So I really was glad that these came quick. Okay, I also got Super Bee, which I haven't gotten in a while because I kind of like stopped taking it over like Christmas break. And then after Christmas break in January, I did the 24-day Advocare challenge. And with the Advocare challenge, you're taking like a ton of supplements, vitamins that have B vitamin in them, and you're drinking like at least 1, sometimes 2 Sparks a day. And I don't know if you guys are familiar with Spark, but it's like a natural energy drink kind of thing, and it has vitamin B in it. So I was like, well, I'm getting a lot of vitamin B through all of these supplements. I really don't need to be taking vitamin B on top of that. And it really wasn't like a conscious decision. I just stopped taking my vitamin B, probably because I was taking like so many other supplements with the plan or whatever. So, I was like really tired, like a lot. Like I didn't have as much energy as I had, like before, I guess. And so I started noticing that, and so when I finished the 24-day challenge, I was like, oh, I'm gonna start taking my Super Bee again. And I'm not joking you, the very first day I started taking Super Bee again, I like felt like a freaking new woman. Like, this is something I literally can't live without. Like, it says promotes a positive outlook and healthy energy, supports normal cardiovascular health. So yeah, minerals, blah, 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 to support energy levels, mood, cardiovascular, and cognitive functions. Like, this screams everything I need. So that is the Super Bee. It's relatively cheap. It's like $21 a bottle or something like that. And when I first started taking it, it's 60 tablets in the bottle. When I first started taking it, I only took 1 a day, and it like worked. It was fine. And so it lasted me 2 months, but then I like read the package and it says to take 2 a day of it. So this is really only a 1 month supply. And I started taking 2 a day. But anyway, there's that. Let's see. Got another CBD. Another thing, reason I'm like so glad this came in quickly, because my CBD was almost out and I need that. Like, truly can tell a major difference in when I take my CBD and when I don't take my CBD at work. Sometimes I'll take it on the weekend if I'm like doing something that like might make me a little anxious or whatever. But yeah, Normally I just take it on school days, and it is a game changer for me. If you have any questions about it, you can like comment below and I'll be happy to answer anything. Okay, the next thing I got was a deep relief roll-on. I haven't bought one of these in a long time because I had 2 of them, and I keep one by my bed and one in my purse. And so between the 2 of those, like it just lasted, they lasted forever. And I realized the other day that both of them were low, and I was like, oh no, like I really should have gotten 2 because I still need one in my purse and one upstairs by my bed. But this one's kind of it's like $30, $27, something like that. So I was like, well, I'll just get one at a time. But I love the packaging that it comes in, this like little fancy cardboard box thing. And I just love the Young Living branded rollers. I know you can make them yourself, blah blah blah, they're way cheaper. Okay, like I definitely wouldn't buy like a lavender roll-on or like the Thieves roll-on, because I literally can make that myself and it's like one ingredient. But I don't know what they put in this. It's just magical. And look at how pretty that is. Love the gold top. I just love the way these look. They're like the frosted glass. Like, this is beautiful, okay? And it has like the best, most amazing cooling smell. It's like peppermint. Well, I'll tell you what's in it. Peppermint, lemon, grand fir, clove, balsam, copaiba, wintergreen, very wintergreeny smelling, and vetiver. It smells really basically like peppermint and wintergreen. So I just roll it behind my ears right here. Oh man, fresh bottle. Sometimes I'll roll it on my temples if I have a headache, and like down my spine. Oh, I probably should tell you what I use this for. I use it for headaches mostly, but it's also freaking amazing for any kind of like muscle pain. Like the other day, my back was like really like hurting right here. And so I rolled it on there, and it literally like made it feel a billion times better. This is one of my top 5 Young Living products for sure. Like I'm obsessed with this, in case you couldn't tell. Love this. And I'm glad that I finally got to share it with y'all, because I really feel like it's probably been forever since I bought one before. Okay, so my next thing is the Desert Mist diffuser. This is my favorite diffuser out of all of them. I do also have the, God, what's that diffuser called? The lantern diffuser. I love that one. That one's basically the same thing. I'll show you what I mean in a second about it being the same thing. I'll actually unbox this one. I think I ordered one a couple months ago for a friend, and I didn't unbox it because I didn't want to like mess all of her stuff up. But this comes with a power supply stuff. I think that's like the cord that plugs up to the wall in this little box. And then the diffuser's in here. These diffuser, like the Young Living diffusers, like truly are the best. Now, I will say I got the Aria a couple years ago, and I was not a fan. But they have revamped it since then. I just can't bring myself to pay $250 to see if they've actually fixed the problem. So anyway, the Desert Mist, the lantern are basically the same. This part is the same on the lantern, and it just has like a different cover that goes over it. So there it is. You fill it up to the little like notch in there, whatever. And this is also the diffuser that comes with the starter kit if you choose to go that route. I know you don't have to anymore. You can just like start by buying products that you like, but I like 1,000,000,000% recommend doing the starter kit if you're going to start with Young Living, because it literally comes with everything that you need, like all the best things to start with, and it's like a freaking great deal. Like it comes with a 5 milliliter of Valor, and that's $40 by itself. 5 milliliter of Peace and Calming, and that's like $40 by itself. This diffuser's $65, and the whole starter kit is $165. So just those 2 oils together are $80. This is $65, so $20 for 10 more oils. Like, it's a steal. It's truly the best. Like, I'm not just saying that. Y'all know I don't sugarcoat things, and like I'm not getting any kind of perks from Young Living or anything, except for obviously faster shipping this month. So yeah, I'd tell you what I really think. But so anyway, the reason why I got this was because Emma Jane's diffuser, like she has the Desert Mist in her room, but it was like a special edition one that came out when I was pregnant with her that was silver instead of like this goldish color. It's gold. I know it's kind of hard to tell, but it is gold. Yeah, it's gold. Well, they came out with a silver one for like the 75th anniversary or something like that. And her room is like pink and gray. So I thought that the silver one would match better for her room. So that's why I got that. So anyway, it's almost 3 years old. And it was not working for several days in a row. Chris finally got it working. But it made me nervous. I was like, well, she has to have this diffuser because she keeps it on the purple light and she's like very intense about like how she likes it to be when she's sleeping. And this is just my favorite diffuser. I thought about getting her the lantern one, but she like plays with this little piece and it's plastic. The lantern one is glass. So I was like, whatever. I'll just go with this one still. I love it. And when you get a diffuser, like just by itself and not with a starter kit, it comes with 2 oils, tangerine and peppermint. I can literally never have too much peppermint. I'm so excited to have this. I'll take it to my classroom when the one that I got last month or 2 months ago, when that one runs out. And then tangerine is great too. Orange is like one of my favorite oils. Tangerine really, like, obviously they smell very similar, like it's tangerine and orange, but tangerine I guess is a little sweeter. I really like orange better, but tangerine obviously is like comparable, you know? So that's everything that I bought, and I literally think I spent like $190 exactly. So I hit the 190 tier, and at the 190 tier this month, it was Ylang Ylang, which I don't really love because it's kind of florally smelling, and I don't like floral scented oils that much, but it is great in lots of different blends, and especially in February for like Valentine's Day blends. So that's a good one to have. Not mad about it, but I'm so pumped about this next one. Okay. Oh, freaking love this oil. One Heart is this oil. It came out at a convention, I think 2 years ago. And the 5 milliliter is $40 or maybe even $45. It's freaking expensive. That's why I never buy it. I still have my first bottle that I bought when it came out at convention. I've never bought another one, and I use it very sparingly because it's expensive. And so I was so excited to get this for free. I'll tell you what oils are in it. It has lemon ylang ylang. What are the odds? I don't like ylang ylang. I love this oil, but you know what I mean. It's not the same if it's like a mix, a blend. Okay, lemon ylang ylang. God, this is kind of hard to read. Northern Lights Black Spruce, lime, Roman chamomile, jasmine, octi, spearmint, black spruce, blue tansy, camphor, geranium, frankincense. I'm about to do another live smelling. I haven't smelled it in a long time because I don't use it very often because it's expensive, but I freaking love it so much. Ugh, it smells so good. God, I don't even really know how to describe the scent. Good is the scent. I love this oil. I'm also interested to see if y'all feel the same way about this oil, so please comment that below. I just like, I'm so interested to see like how different people like different things. Like, I just like get into a groove of being like, oh, everybody thinks the same way as me. And then I am often reminded that people do not think the same way as me. And so it's just really, truly interesting to me. Like, somebody, I'm sure, is going to comment and be like, I love Ylang Ylang. And I actually would love for somebody to comment that they love Ylang Ylang, and please tell me that a blend that you like it in, because I want to use it, obviously, because I have it now. Last month, somebody commented and told me that they love eucalyptus with peace and calming. And like, I'm like not one to just randomly mix oils together. Like, I need a diffuser blend recipe, or somebody needs to tell me that it smells good together, because I don't want to just like test it out and then like if it stinks, then I have to run the whole thing out or dump it out, which is wasteful. And so yeah, I'm not one to just like test it out. But eucalyptus and this peace and calming are so freaking good. That's like my new favorite blend right now. My tried and true favorite blend is patchouli and cedarwood. Love that. But yeah, so if you guys could give me recommendations of blends that you like with Ylang Ylang, I would really appreciate it. Also, I meant to tell you about the other diffuser that I have. It's this guy. I can't even remember what that diffuser is called, the little blue one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's the little guy. Anyway, that diffuser is cheap. It's like $40. And I love that diffuser, and I think it's so freaking cute. But it's not good for like a large area. Like, it's good for like literally where I have it right here in my desk, because I sit right here beside it. So obviously I can smell it really good. And then I also have kept it one in what is happening? Sorry, I have to get the tripod reset up. It's also great in bathrooms. So I have it in our guest bathroom, another one in there. So anyway, back to the diffuser conversation. That's all I have for you this month. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad that my order came quickly this month. Y'all are probably going to be like, whoa, she just posted her January haul. How does she already have her February one up? Oh, but I did order on February 1st. Can't remember if I said that or not. So I ordered on February 1st. It came on the 6th. So took 5 days to get here. It was taking 10 days to process. So I'm so pumped about it. So can't wait to see y'all's comments this month. Thanks for watching. Bye.